Okay, so when I looked at all of our tests that we did together, I found out that we need to work on long I. Do you know what that is or what that means? Okay, so we're going to work on that today. So our learning target today is going to be I can decode words including IGH and IE. So we're going to watch a short video and it's going to give us a little bit of
this lesson. You'll learn some common spellings of the long I sounds. IE and IGH can make the long I sound. Let's start with the IE combination. This combination can be very tricky. The IE combination can make long E and long I sounds. Here are 3 examples of the IE combination making the long I sound. I, pie, I, die, t, I, tie. Alien is an example of the IE combination making the long E sound. Field, chief, and thief are other examples. Usually, if the IE combination is in the middle of a word, it makes the long E sound. If it is at the end of the word, then it makes the long I sound. And if the IE comes after the letter C, then it becomes EI and makes the long E sound. Ceiling, receipt, and receive are 3 examples. Now, let's return to IGH. Here are 2 examples. I, t, light. I, t, night. Fantastic job. We're all
Okay, so I know that was a lot of information in the video. From watching the video, when do you think that you would find a word that you should use IGH in? Or can you give me an example of a word that has IGH in it?
Light.
Light, that's a good example. What about IE?
Pie.
Pie, that was a good example too. Okay, perfect. So we are going to be reading this book called The Kind Knight, and I'm going to have you read it, and there are a lot of examples in here of words with IGH and IE. So whenever you come across one, if you want to point to it, then we can talk about it, okay? Okay, so you can go ahead and you can flip through that, and I will record it this way. All right, The Kind Knight.
In a far off land, a dragon was giving people a fright.
Good job.
The king sent a knight to find and slay the dragon.
Good job. You see a lot of those words in there?
One night, the knight rode out to find the dragon. A flock of crows took flight at the sight of the knight, speeding along his steed. The knight saw a bright light rise from behind a hill. The knight held on tight as he sped toward the light.
Good job.
By and by the knight rode through the night. He thought the bright light might be from the dragon. The knight rode up to the light. He saw a big fire-spitting dragon behind the hill. I will fight you with all my might, the knight said. The dragon began to cry. Kind knight, he said, I'm not a mean dragon. I'm old, blind, and cannot see. I do not want to fight. The knight felt sad for the dragon's plight. He was a kind knight. I will try to help you, said the kind knight. I will tell the people that you are a kind dragon. The knight made all things right. The dragon stayed out of sight, and every night the kind knight gave the dragon food to eat.
Good job. So now I have a lot of examples of different words that end in IE or have an IGH in them. So the first thing you're going to do is look at all of these words and see if you can sort them into two separate piles. One pile with IGH and one pile with IE. If you have any questions, you can ask. Let's get some of these closer. Okay, awesome job. So now if you want to grab your pencil and go ahead and put your name on here. And this is just a recording sheet for the sorting activity you just did. So you can take your pile, so find your pile with your IE words, and you can go ahead and write those on your chart here. Good job. Alright, good job. Now you can include your IGH words. Okay, so looking at a few of these words on here, when you look at the words fried and right, do you see how your IE and your IGH sound make the same sound? It can be kind of confusing, right, if you don't know the right way to put them in order. You did a really good job at sorting these. Thank you, Anna.